It's not because your body's getting old. It's because you're losing something most people don't even realize exists: deep muscle control. And once that disappears, every step feels heavier. Your joints get stiffer, and simple movements start to feel like work. Let me tell you something. At 58, a man named David could barely stand up without using his hands. His knees hurt, his back felt tight, and every workout made things worse. He thought the answer was to push harder, lift heavier, move more. But that only made things worse, because the real problem wasn't weakness, it was instability. And when your body feels unstable, your brain literally tightens your muscles to protect you. That's why you feel stiff all the time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Centuries ago, Shaolin warriors didn't train with endless reps or heavy weights. They used something much simpler, but far more powerful. Static holds, no jumping, no grinding joints, just pure control. In this video, I'll show you 3 Shaolin-style holds that can rebuild your strength, improve joint stability, and make your body feel younger again, without destroying your joints. And the third one is where most people feel the biggest difference. Let's start with the first, the horse stance. It looks simple, almost too simple. But don't let that fool you. This position builds deep leg strength, hip stability, and endurance all at the same time. Here's what most people get wrong. When their hips feel tight, they start stretching aggressively, hoping to loosen up. But tightness is often a sign of weakness, not stiffness. If your body doesn't feel stable, it won't let go. The horse stance fixes that by building strength and mobility together. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width. Turn your toes slightly outward. Now, slowly lower your hips like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your chest upright, back straight. Push your knees outward so they track over your toes. Then hold. You'll feel your legs shaking. That's exactly what you want. Start with 20 seconds, then 30. Then build up to 60 seconds. Now most people stop here. But this next exercise is where real transformation begins. The hollow body hold. This is not just an ab exercise. This is what protects your spine. Most people think doing more sit-ups or twisting movements will fix their core. But if your deep core isn't active, all that movement puts pressure on your lower back. Over time, that's what leads to pain. This hold creates a natural support system around your spine, almost like a built-in brace. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back. Press your lower back firmly into the ground. Tighten your glutes. Lift your legs slightly off the floor and reach your arms overhead. Now hold that position. Here's the golden rule. If your lower back lifts off the ground, you've gone too far. Reset immediately. Start with bent knees for 15 seconds. Then extend one leg. Work your way up to the full hold for 30 seconds. Now here's the final one. And this is the one most people underestimate, until they try it. The wall sit. When knee pain starts, people usually do one of two things. They either stop training their legs completely, or they keep forcing heavy squats through painful joints. Both are mistakes, because moving heavy weight through a weak joint only creates more damage. The wall sit builds strength without moving the joint at all. That's what makes it so powerful. Stand with your back against a wall. Walk your feet forward and slide down until your knees are bent, aiming for a 90-degree angle. Press through your heels and hold. You should feel a deep burn in your thighs, but no sharp pain in your knees. Start with 20 seconds, then 30, then push towards 60 seconds. Now here's the truth. You don't need complicated workouts to rebuild your body after 50. You need control. These 3 holds train your muscles to support your joints, instead of fighting against them. And that's what makes your body feel strong again. So start today, even if it's just one exercise, because small steps, done consistently, change everything. Now I want to know, which one of these felt the hardest? Comment 1, 2, or 3 below. And if you're serious about getting stronger after 50, hit subscribe, because I'm going to show you exactly how to rebuild your body, step by step.